Many people enjoy listening to music or games audio using headphones, as the sound quality is usually much better than standard speaker. Sadly, there are times when your computer refuses to recognize and support this device. This leads to confusion in anyone's, as you might not be sure what to do. Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix when Windows doesn't recognize headphones. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. Click Start button. Click Settings. Click on Troubleshoot. Click Other Troubleshooter. Run Playing Audio Troubleshooter. Choose the device that's menu functioning and click on the Next. Wait for the troubleshooter to identify any problems. If asked to turn sound effect and instrument off, select the option to do so. Click OK. Then click Close. Right-click Start button. Select Device Manager. Expand audio input and output. Right-click Audio Driver. Then select Update Driver. Then click Search automatically for drivers. Click Close. Again right-click Audio Driver. Then select Update Driver. Then select Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick. Select Audio Driver. Click Next. Click Close. Click Start button. Click Settings. Click Sound. Then click More Sound Settings. Right-click in the space and enable Show Disable Devices. If you see your headphone on it, right-click on them and pick Enable. Double-click Headphones. Select the Level tab. Increase or decrease the volume as per your need. Click OK. Then click Windows Update. If there is any update, then definitely update. Restart your computer. Hope your problem will be solved. If there is any problem, please comment. If a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us.